I'm gonna do my hair like this or something. They're gonna do it in the back, in the front, and the back.
All right.
Let's do it.
It is cold outside, so today we are doing a protective style on Adaya's hair. Because I am not the best at doing cornrows, I'm going to be doing flat twists and 2-strand twists. These twists will be braided at the root for longevity. Make sure that you stay until the end because I'm going to show you how I also style these twists from day to day. And of course, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Firstly, this style is done on freshly washed and moisturized hair. A protective style is meant to retain or grow hair. You can't do that with dirty and dry, brittle hair.
Check the net on that one.
This is my first time doing this style, but I thought it came out super cute. I have to do styles a bit more chunky than I would do for my oldest hair because she does not like to sit still. To maintain what we have, she has to wear a bonnet, and I like to spray her hair and moisturize her hair every day or every other day. This is the first style of her protective style. It's simple ponytail. This worked really well since I already have flat twists going back. You can add bows, beads if you want to. Protective does not mean boring. Okay, next we moved on to the pigtails again. I found these cute clip-in beads from the hair supply store, and they work so well. They don't fall out at all. You can clip in as many or as little as you would like. I like to add these beads to my oldest daughter's locks as well. Now it's time to take her hair out. I've been using this daily moisturizer all 2 weeks while also spraying her hair with water. I think they twisted out pretty well for twists that have been in for 2 weeks. Especially on a toddler who hates keeping her bonnet on and is kind of rough on her hair. And that's it. Her flat twist lasted a full 2 weeks, and the twist out was everything. If you want more easy kids hairstyles, protective styles, or mom hair routine, comment below, and I've got y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.